Hello everyone, welcome back to our cozy creative space. Today we are diving into something truly heartwarming, rustic jute craft, X-Max decorations and casual decorations. You can decorate your home with these ideas. In this video we will give you the idea of transformation simple recycled materials like jute, burlap, pine cones and little scraps into magical X-Max decor pieces. You can turn simple pieces into extraordinary and very mindfulness. So, it's not just about crafting, it's about mindfulness, creativity, and spending quality time with family. So, grab your tea, light, and a candle, and let's begin this relaxing X-Max crafting pinecone journey together. Let's talk about jute and soft cozy and felt craft, jute and burlap fabric, two of the most rustic and eco-friendly materials you can use. Cut your jute into small strips, circle or stars, whatever design you love. Add a touch or flash or wrap it around old ornaments to give them a beautiful natural look. You can even reuse glass jars, wrap them with jute twine and decorate with mini pine cones and burlap prayers. Make a wreath and add some cinnamon sticks. These tiny details brings a soft countryside charm to your X-Max decor. Remember, rustic doesn't mean plain. It means beautifully simple, calming and close to nature. Each twist of jute string is like a moment of stillness. Remember to slow down and enjoy the process. Now let's bring in the stars of the show, pine cones. You can collect them from your garden or nearby parks. Clean them gently, let them dry, and then decorate them with touches of white paint or a sparkle or glitter. Use them to make ornaments, bombs, wreath, or table centerpiece. Tie a jute strings around the top of each pine cones and hang them on your X-Max tree. You will see how the blend of brown tones and jute textures give that perfect rustic winter feel. Mindfulness tip: while painting or wrapping pine cone, take deep breath, feel the texture in your hands. Rough yet natural, it's grounding, soothing, and connects you with the calm of nature. Creativity. The best part, recycling and creativity for families. The best part of this craft is that it's eco-friendly and family-friendly. You can recycle old fabric pieces, paper bags, or even bottle caps and turn them into ornaments. Invite your kids or family members to join in. Crafting together strengthens bonds and sparks joy. For example, your child can paint small pine cones or roll jute twine balls for garlands. Let them do what they want to do and make them do what they want to create. You can create a jute stars, band it together, or design a rustic X-Max wreath using recycled cardboard or as the base. These little activities create not just decoration but memories. It's mindfulness and motion, creativity mixed with togetherness. Every cut, glue, and tie becomes a moment of peace and love. Once your crafts are ready, it's time to decorate your space. Hang the jute ornaments on your X-Max tree. Display pine cones jars on your table, or place a handmade wreath on your wall. Add some soft yellow lights or candles and your room instantly turns into a warm rustic heaven. As you look at your handmade decor, take a deep breath. Notice how simple materials have turned into something meaningful all through your hands, creativity, and patience. This is the true beauty of mindful crafting. It teaches us to see value in the simplest things. You didn't just decorate your home, you also filled it with calm and energy and happiness. For friends, this expects let's decorate with heart, hand, and harmony. Let's reuse, recycle, and respect nature while adding warmth and creativity to our homes. Crafting with jute, burlap, and pine cones is more than an art, it's a peaceful therapy for your mind and soul. If you enjoyed this cozy crafting time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindful DIY ideas. Until next time, stay creative, stay peaceful. Stay creative, stay peaceful, and keep spreading